Say hello to Lucky Wealth Cat. This is a new game from IGT. It's got some held multipliers we want to check out in live play. Bonus! Min bet here is 60 cents. So we will take a look at it. We may play up a little bit. Start with 60 though. So you see at the top, we've got kind of anything with a cat, it pays 7 times. Anything with an ace pays 3 times for just a few games. It's set for a few amount of games. Oh, now we got queens. So queens will be 3 times for the next 6 games. And then if we don't get that, then so the cat just went away. But now we've got fish. So we got fish at 6 times. So fish and cat, the Lucky Wealth Cat, is the most profitable. The aces go away. It's helpful that it puts the multiplier at the front there. You need 3 bonus symbols to get the bonus. Haven't seen the bonus yet, don't know what it entails. Oh, there we go. Okay, so 3 times kings, that was good. All right, $7. Finally, a good win there. So then it can also re-trigger, it looks like. So when we got those queens, it added more games onto the bonus there. Oh, man. Running out of Lucky Wealth Cat. Ugh. Okay, so the multiplier for Lucky Wealth Cat goes away. Lucky Wealth Fish is not a multiplier. Man, only aces and queens right now. There we go. Okay, so now we need another cat. We need a big 5 catter. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's not a line? Oh, man, I thought that was a line. Down and up. I guess they call it a repeating win multiplier. Just saw that down there. That's probably an easier thing than held multiplier win. Oh, man. And then there are progressives on here. I'm guessing that's what the coins in the bowl go for, that it's a random trigger for those. But we have not seen that either. All right, get some kings in there. We've run out of all of our multipliers. Or repeating win multipliers. So I guess all the good ones are on the left, all the crappy ones are on the right. Ace, king, queen. There's trees at 5. I guess trees are 5, fish are 6. Oh yeah, there we go. 5 times trees, that's nice. Another 780 win. So we've had 2 that have hit on the multiplier. It's been about $7. Ooh, that's a lot of Lucky Wealth Cats. That's pretty cool. I see this cat a lot. He's always waving at me with his left hand. Oh, there we go. We got the 7 times. Nice. Not as lucrative as you think. You think 7 times, that's got to be huge. $4. Not going to break the bank. Oh, we got the bonus. Nice. All right. Live play bonus. Oh, we get to spin a wheel. Let's see. We've got the progressives on there. The biggest one, the major, is $300. Ragged here. Looks like you got free games, and then maybe replacing symbols is the other thing. Ah, come on. No. Credits. Boo. Boring. Wasn't even a lot of credits. Yeah, back in it. Okay. See if we can catch that bonus again or get to another big multiplier win. thought that was something. You think the cat's gonna be wild after that? It's up there for a while, but no. We've tossed a lot of coins in that dish. I don't know. Well, that was pretty good. Better than I thought it was. See if we can get another big hit here. Come on, we got that 7 times. Oh, there we go. We got the 7 times our big 420 or whatever it was. That wasn't that much. All right, we got a couple more spins. We'll try and get that lucky wealth cat. Come on, last spin. Lucky. No. Well, we could sit here all day, but that's a good look at Lucky Wealth Cat. We'll be back if we get another bonus. Well, sadly, another bonus never came. We walked away shortly after we ended the video. The machine had gone cold. It's very interesting. Keeps you there, keeps you chasing those multipliers, but ultimately not a big profit vehicle. But we love the innovation, and we'll keep bringing you new videos as we find the machines. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you on the next one.